Hello, welcome back Ranasam YouTube channel. So today we will discuss some another topic. The topic actually I will discuss in this video the related completed digital marketing, and we will discuss all of the topic on this specific channel around the digital marketing because that channel is completely related to digital marketing and IT sector. And before I starting this video, I would like to tell you actually I was trying to make the another things on this specific YouTube channel, and I was not able to introduce my new plan on last month, but I have one good news to everyone. I have I have thinking the name of this specific thing on my YouTube channel, and the thing will be the thing will be implemented in the next month definitely. And in this video, I will share the name of the my plan at the end of this video. And another thing, if I would like to tell you, the plan actually complete should be related SEO and digital marketing. So that's why I was taking my time, and I know that almost 1 month have been done, but now I have a plan name, but only remaining part right now the implementation, and I promise the plan will be implemented in the next month definitely, in the first week. first week. If I talk about the next month, so we have to around three lots of holiday uh, festival next month. So that's why I will too busy because I have lots of work from my company, and you know very well that lots of employees will be gone for a holiday just because they have the festival. So that might be the I will take that time, around 1 extra week or 2 extra week, but definitely I will implement my plan next month. To be honest, and if I talk about the another things, that this video actually, if I got this completely question by the help of Google, and I have researched lots of time before this make the video on this specific question, and right now have the good feeling. I want to make the video on this specific question, and now I'm creating the video. If I talk about the today question, so I have actually recently I have done the certificate regarding this specific topic right now. So I will tell you in this specific video that platform where you can take the certificate by the help of platform, by the help of online course free, and the platform completely free of cost. And so I will just let's start this today video. But please like and subscribe this YouTube channel and share this video. So let's start. So actually I have got this question by the help of Google as randomly. The today question, how to learn Google Ads. So to before the starting the conversation on this specific question, so I will share the some very good news about the digital marketing, because Google Ads is a part of the digital marketing. So that's why I want to share I want to say some very good things to everyone before the start the video. So actually I know that the right now digital marketing booming up because everyone want to add their business on the online platform. So that's why I am sharing to everyone before starting the conversation this specific topic. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is part of the online marketing. What we do by the help of internet. So if I talk about the Google Ads, so Google Ad is a part of the is part of the digital marketing. Digital marketing. So actually, the digital marketing kind of option. So we have around 10 types of digital marketing types, and before and if I talk about the Google Ads, the Google one of the best platform right now in the digital marketing industry after SEO and after SEO. And we know because if I talk about the top three platform in digital marketing as a fresher, so SEO is one of the best platform, and after that Google Ads, and third one is social media platform, social media marketing. So if I talk about the how you can learn Google Ads. So to be honest, we have lots of platforms where you can learn where you can learn Google Ads, basic understanding what is Google Ads, what are the types of Google Ads, how Google Ads working. And so if I talk about the platform, platform, yeah, Google Ads. So actually Google Ads is basically online advertisement, what we do by the help of billing the some amount of money to give Google and rank our website landing page on the SERP first or second position. I know that, yeah, I know that this is not a one night all night step. We have to find out we have to do lots of hard work, because we have to clear before that we have good quality score, we have good CTR, we have good budget. So before the starting Google Ads, we have to invest some amount of money taking the idea by the help of uh, search engine. So that's why I'm saying you, if you are thinking you want to come the in Google Ads industry, so you have good potentially, because if I talk about the Google Ads industry, so you are giving the amount of money to Google every click. So if I talk about the client side, so client asks every time to everyone, where is a lead, where is going my budget, where is going my amount. So you have the good potential, you have the good caliber. Yeah, I know that where is going your budget, your amount, so you can say very easily. But if I talk about the another thing, if you don't have good understanding, you are losing your budget every day, you are not getting any lead, you are not giving any lead to your client. So client actually and very angry about your Google Ads campaign. So that's why if you have the caliber, so you can start learn Google Ad by the help of. But if I talk about the platform, so we have the one of the best YouTube channel on the WSQ. You can take the you can watch the video like in Hindi language, in English language. It completely depend yourself, but it should be if I talk about the review of WSQ YouTube channel. To be honest, it is one of the best YouTube channel right now on the YouTube, where you can learn easily everything related to IT sector. So so if you want to learn if you want to learn Google Ads, actually I'm also learning right now Google Ads by the help of WSQ YouTube channel. So that's why I'm saying, I am telling you, you can also start the Google Ad by the help of WSQ YouTube channel. If I talk about the types of, actually I have writing everything on my notebook, so that's why I'm looking somewhere. So if I talk about the types of Google Ads, so we have around seven types of Google Ad campaign: search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, smart campaign, so and many more. So they are the basically types of Google Ads. If you want to come in this sector, yeah, in this professional, so you have the good understanding, understanding about the all the kind of platform, and after that you can start the giving the interview, and you can easily get your first job in digital marketing industry. If I talk about the Google ads network, so Google network basically where our ads seen. So if I talk about the Google network, so Google actually has to have two network. The first one is GSN, Google Search Network. Is one of the biggest network right now. If I talk about the second network, the GDN, Google Display Network, is the second one of the biggest network right now. Where our website ads actually show right now. So they are the basically that network right now. Google have the authority where where Google actually show your ad by the help of your campaign strategy by the help of your billing amount of pay. So if I talk about another thing, actually I have already told you that if you are thinking right now you want to learn Google Ads right now. So to be honest, you can start free of course by the help of WSQ YouTube channel. It's completely free of course right now. And after that, if you have learned basic understanding Google Ads. So honestly, you should not go with the pay course. I will tell you in this video. You can start your own campaign. You can start your own budget around 500, 300, and you can start practical understanding about the Google Ads, because you have to learn practically, because no one giving the opportunity easily for you about your basic understanding for Google Ads. On the behalf of your basic understanding, no one giving the easily opportunity. But if you have the practical understanding how the Google Ads system are working right now, so actually the company very happy performance for your performance, and they are giving the very easily opportunity for you. So that's why I'm telling you, if you have the a good understanding about the Google Ads, so you can start the putting the some amount of money in your campaign. I know that the some you are struggling, you will struggling a early phase, but you have to learn lots of understanding about your campaign phase. So actually I right now I'm thinking the same thing. I want to implement practical understanding how right now I'm putting the some amount of money in my Google Ads account wallet, and after that I will start my campaign. I know that at at the early phase I am struggling. I will struggling. But if I talk about the learning, so I will learn lots of things about the Google Ads practical experience, because I have good understanding theoretical, but I don't have the practical and lots of practical understanding. So that's why right now I'm thinking I want to implement my basic understanding into to a practical understanding. If I talk about the talk about the YouTube. Actually, I have already shared top YouTube channel where you can learn easily Google Ads. But if I talk about the you have the good budget, you have right now you have good support your family, so you can start Google Ads by the help of institute, by the help of paid course. So you can take the paid course because in this paid course the institute actually will learn to you basic practical understanding how institute या how organization actually running their ad campaign. They will share everything to with you. So that's why they have the good paid course. So if you have the good financial budget, so you can go with the pay course. But if you don't have the good financial budget, so I will recommended you should go with free of course before at early in early phase, and after that you can start your practical implementation by the help of your own amount. If I talk about the why Google ads important, because if I told you recently, digital marketing is like ocean. We have the 10 types of digital marketing, sub types of digital marketing. But actually, if I talk about the SEO, so actually give the result after 3 months, yeah, 6 months. But result actually will extremely good compared to Google Ads. But some client actually want to lead very quickly, very fastly. So that's why Google Ads very important. If you are doing everything, if you are doing everything in the right direction, so Google Ads giving the loads of it by the help of SERP page very quickly. So that's why Google Ads right now important. And you can run your ad by all of the online platform by the help of Google Ads, by the help of GSN and GDN. I already told you what is GSN and GDN. And in this specific professional, you have to understanding every platform, OTT and social media platform and YouTube platform. and after you have to understanding all of them, and after that you can start your career in Google Ads. If I talk about the another things, actually, so pro and I in this video pro and cons. So actually the cons, if I talk about the pro, so already told you that we have the loads of pros in Google Ads. We should take the very we will take the very easily lead by the help of Google Ads. But if I talk about the cons, so we have the only one cons in this specific industry, our amount. Because if user actually clicking on our SERP page URL, so we have to give the amount to some amount of money to Google until yeah, and no matter the the user actually convert into lead. No matter if user actually clicking on your URL, now you are giving some amount of money to Google. So this is one of the biggest cons in the Google Ads. We have all lots of cons in Google Ads, but if I talk about the money mind, so this is one of the biggest cons right now in Google Ads. So that's all in this video. If I talk about my plans, so I have discussed lots of you before this video, but in this video I am telling you the name of my plan. Actually, the name of the plan is SEO update every month, and we will discuss every month at first week. I will implement this plan in the upcoming week definitely. And so that's all. If you have any issue regarding this video, so please put your issue in the comment box. Yeah, if you have any kind of question regarding the digital marketing industry, so please let me know in the comment box, and I will make the video on your specific question definitely. Thank you. Bye bye.